How to install Google Play Store on PC. Today, I will show you how to install the Google Play Store on your PC running Windows 11. First, go to your web browser. Then go to Play Store. Then click on three dots on the top right corner. Select on Apps. Then select Install this site as an app. Click Install. This will install Play Store in Windows 11, but unfortunately, you can't install it from here. To install Android app in Windows 11, go to Microsoft Store. Then search Amazon App Store. Then download it. After download, then open it. Then search your desired Android app. Then install it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.